Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today, we're taking a look at SprezzaBox for November 2018. With that being said, let's get into it. So there we go. We of course have the card with everything in this month's box. And of course, a bit of advertisement from Lawrence Hunt Fashion. And of course, the box. So, first thing out of the box are these Sprezza socks. Next thing out of the box is the Nomad Lane leather money clip. Next thing is this silicone ice ball motor. You basically put water in this, put it in the freezer, and you have a ball of ice to put in your drink. Next thing out of the box are these cleaning wipes. And last but not least is this Dibby wristwatch. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can actually see what this thing looks like. Very nice. And there you have SprezzaBox for November 2018.